inside, you can smash it, or you can tear the paper like that to make it vanish. Hope you enjoy the magic. To purchase this magic, you can click the description link, and the description link you will purchase this magic from Amazon, from Flipkart, from Snapdeal and A Shortcut Magic World Shop. Cash on delivery COD is also available. This is called the vanishing cane, and the plastic vanishing cane also available. It is the metal vanishing cane, the rainbow color cane. It looks very good. And you can purchase also the black color vanishing cane, the zebra vanishing cane of black and white, and different color vanishing canes, steel color vanishing cane. Vanishing cane, actually Indian and China both type of vanishing canes are available. Indian canes are a little bit bigger and it is thinner. China canes are little bit thicker and its heights are short. So you can purchase from the below links different type of vanishing canes. And to get the teaching video after purchase, there you will get the QR code from your mobile scanner. You scan the QR code and you will get the teaching video, or you call Magic World helpline numbers and we will help you to send you the teaching videos. You also search our different product catalogs from Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal and A Shortcut Magic World Shop. At the description it is also given. You can purchase any magic product from our Magic World Shop. Now we are coming to the secret, how you perform the vanishing cane, and different type of canes here we have. I will teach you those canes also. At first let me show you. The vanishing cane, it has actually two parts, and I hide these two parts. Look, it is the top part and it is the end part, okay, the cap part, and we attach the silks with that. It is available in black color also. It is available in black and white, zebra combination color also. And the plastic vanishing cane also available. This is the plastic cane, the plastic vanishing cane, and the cap is also made by plastic. My suggestion, take the metal cane. These all are actually China cane. Indian vanishing cane also available, but that's a very thinner. And Indian vanishing cane, it is very difficult to fit the cap. When you make it, after that the cap size is little bit small. So it is difficult for the newcomers, for the beginners to fit the cap. But in case of the China vanishing cane, the cap size is little bit bigger, so it is easy to fit and operate. So Indian canes are also very good. The strength of the Indian cane, and it vanish in a fraction of a second. That is very good. But China vanishing cane is best for the beginners because you can easily close the cap. Now let me teach you. I am showing it from close. This is the top, okay, and this is the end position. Here you can see, here is a hanger, a holder. You can attach a silk. It is a black vanishing cane, so you can turn into a black silk. Here you have to attach, and here it is the cap, and here also a hanger, and you can attach another black silk here also. If you purchase the black and white, then one end you can attach white, one end you can attach black silk. Then it looks good. I am performed with the multicolor, the rainbow color. That's why I am taking the rainbow color silk. Okay. So two silks you have to attach from here and here. Now how you will make it? At first you make it straight like that, and it should be thinner. Now stretch, stretch, and make it round. On the opposite side, this you have to round in this position, and on the right hand you have to round on the opposite. This side and that side. Now make it, again I am making it. From the top, slowly you have to make it, and make it a bigger cane. Okay? More bigger cane. Okay? Now, at the end, this is the ending point. Hold it tightly. You close the cap here. Now it is closed. Okay? You may make it little bigger also. When you put the silk, then it will be little bigger. Okay, now it is ready. Now show the cane. You can move it. It is not so much loose and not so much tight. That's why it is good. Okay? and you have to hold here with your 3 fingers. You have to adjust it here with the little finger. You have to hold it here, easily you can hold it, and you have to hold the top with your 4 fingers card. Don't do it from this angle. If people are from front, then don't do it from this angle because it is coming down. People can see it easily. Try to do it in this angle. Then it comes down. When you pull it, it comes down. That thing people may not look. Ready, 1, if there is silk. Ready, 1, show it like that, show it. And 1, shake it, 2, and you just pull it, remove it, and 3. And in a fraction of a second, it is vanished and the silks appear. And in the gourd of the silk, you can easily hide these 2 parts in the gourd of the silk. You continue, you shake the silk. Don't put your hand like that. You show it like that and put the silks on your 2 pockets. So this is the technique. Now I am doing it with the zebra cane. So at first stretch, then move. It is here, it is at the back. Then pull, then move, then pull, then move. It is a little bit bigger than the black. Pull. Okay. The color is very beautiful. Now you have to put the cap here. Very nice looking. It's looking like a zebra. Okay. Now you can move it. You can roll it with your finger like that. That thing you have to practice. Okay. Now hold it with your left hand and hold it with your right hand. Now continue shake. And let me show you from this angle. Suppose people are watching my magic show from front, then I am showing the cane from here, and now I hold it and shake it, and ready, 1, 2, 3, I have to pull it, and suddenly it is vanished. So it's a very easy magic. Okay, that is my cane which I perform. So when you put 2 hankies, so one end you have to attach 1 hanky. Now make it straight. At first you have to set the hanky, and remember this portion must be smaller so that you can block it with the cap. Now in the cap there is another hanger, and here we have to hang another silk. Now we have to put the silk inside. With a pen you can put it, or with your finger you can put it. Okay, like that you have to put, and you have to close it with the cap like that, and it is closed. Now you show the cane. Now you hold it here, you hold the cap in this angle, shake it at first clearly, shake it 1, 2, and when you are pulling it 3, it turns into 2 beautiful silks. So that's the secret. Okay, and after doing that you have to continue, you have to shake it, and then you have to put it inside the pocket. So that is the secret. It's a very simple magic, but one thing you have to remember, that you have to set the vanishing cane properly. If it is not properly set, then you cannot close the cap. The cane end size, the portion, that must be thinner, smaller than the cap, so that you can attach it, you can lock it. Another thing, many newcomers, they are afraid when the cane comes and hit on their fingers. Okay, that hit on the fingers, but don't fear, you try to hold it with your little finger and ring finger. Okay, so that time do not afraid, just throw it, and first, second time it is little bit problem to you, but if you practice it, it is easy. This is Indian magic cane. Now I am going to teach you how you perform the Indian magic cane. Actually, this is the top, the head. Here you can hang a silk, a colorful silk. Here you can attach. Okay, and this is the another part. Here you can attach this type of beautiful feather bouquet. The coloring plumes you can attach. So it is connected with thread here. So how you connect it and how you open it, let me show you. Yes, now it is detached. Two type of plumes are available, feather plumes. This is a biggest size feather plume, looking very much good, and the feather quality is very good, and we can fold it from here, from the middle, so it's foldable. And another type of plume is available that is not foldable, that has 3 hands. With 3 hands plumes, that is also available, but the foldable plumes are looking little beautiful than the 3 hands plume. And there is the thread system, and you have to attach the head here like that. Before, when you are making it ready, that time you have to attach it like that. Okay? And this is the Indian vanishing cane. At the end, you can see that there is the thread where you can put it, that type of plumes. Or you can make the cane vanish and turns into in different color papers. You can load different color papers and make different color paper happen. If you want to put any silk, then in this hole you can put the silk, and on the top part in this hole you can put the silk here and here. Okay, so now it is like the China cane, almost everything is same, but Indian canes cap are little bit smaller than the China cane. Now we are making the cane completely. We have to make it thin as possible. Now we have to insert the cap on the top here, and it is attached. Very easily it is attached, and you can move it. Okay. Now the same thing, you have to hold here like that, and you have to hold the cap and you have to pull the cap. Ready, 1, 2, 3, and it comes vanish. This thing will vanish, hide on your hand. I suggest, if it is possible, then put hanky here, so that with the hanky guard you can easily fold it. Or if you want to load it, then that is also possible, no problem in that case also. So you have to load the plumes like that. Now I am attaching the plume again. Look, I am attaching the plume here. I little attach now. Now you have to make it height. You have to make the vanishing cane ready like that. Okay. Many people close it with the cap. Many people put rubber bands here. When they release the rubber band, it will unlock. So here you can insert the cap here. Okay. Now, after showing, just pull it out, take it out the cap, and it comes down gradually. Okay. And you may do it in a paper guard also, and other guard also you may do it easily. So I think you understand how to load and how to perform the Indian vanishing cane. Now we are coming to the plastic cane. So this is the plastic vanishing cane. Plastic cane is better for the newcomer, for the beginner, or for the children. And at the bottom, inside, here is the hanger. You can attach a silk, but my suggestion, you can attach the ribbon. Ribbon is thinner and you can easily perform that, and that is the top. Okay, so at first you have to hold the top and you have to pull it. This is the top, you can see the top, and you have to pull it to make it straight. And the same thing, just roll this direction and that direction, opposite direction. You have to roll it and make it a bigger cane, make it a bigger cane, more bigger and thinner, because when you put the cap at the bottom, that time the ending position must be thinner so that you can attach the cap properly. Here is the cap. You can attach also silk here. You can detach it. It's a holder. You can put the silk here or ribbon here. My suggestion, you take the ribbon. Now you have to close it like that. Many of magicians, they put rubber band, black rubber band, or if the cane is red, then red rubber band here. You have to close it like that. Okay. Now this is the plastic cane. It is very light weighted. Show the cane. Okay. You can move it on your fingers Now you can make it vanish in that way also, like that, 1, 2, 3 and pull, it is completely vanished. And you have to hold it under the guard of the silk. And the another way of vanishing, that is also very easy. That thing you may also do. You can use the rubber band also. It is better to use the same color rubber band for lock, but here I am putting the different color to make it visible in this video so that you can see the rubber band. So when you hold that, this hand, you have to remove the rubber band like that. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Remove the rubber band and hold the top. Already I removed the rubber band. Look, it is I removed. And then it vanished. Now we are coming to the another presentation, how you can vanish the plastic vanishing cane inside a newspaper. So at first you have to make the cane like that. I am making it again. Now I am closing the cap. Now take a newspaper. Show the newspaper. Now take a newspaper. Show it empty. Okay. Show the newspaper empty. Now take it. Now make it roll. Now cane is coming inside the newspaper. Look at the cane. Now what we have to do, you can easily make it vanish. How you can make it vanish? Now after putting it inside, you can smash it, or you can tear the paper like that to make it vanish. Now the cane is completely vanished. Actually the cane is hidden. The cane is hidden at the small piece of paper. Actually the cane is hidden at the small piece of paper like that. How you do it, you make it vanish. Let me show you again. At first you have to make the plastic cane. If it is open like that, don't think that it is damaged. You can easily put it like that to make it as previous. It is not damaged. Okay? Now it is okay. So how you vanish the plastic cane inside a paper? You show the paper empty at first. Roll the cane. Very lightly you have to roll the cane. Now you can show it from here, you can show it from here. Then when it comes from here, okay, you just pull it, open it, and it comes inside, it is disappear inside, and you can snap it. Make it vanish. Actually the cane is inside the paper. So this is the performance of the plastic cane. One thing, let me make you clear. If it is broken from the middle like that, don't think that it is broken or it is damaged. You can easily repair it. After making that type of roll, you can easily repair it. Often this type of things happen when you make it straight. So this is the vanishing cane secret. Hope you enjoy the video. On the next video we will come with new magic. To purchase our more products, click the description link. There you will get the catalogs of all magic products from Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal and A Shortcut Magic World shop. You can purchase those products. Thank you. Goodbye for today.